Here we are looking at DUTV. This is the daily chart. Had a couple questions on this one today, and pulling up the chart. Very interesting looking chart here. It's been acting, very nice from what you would want to see in a technical analysis textbook. If you're looking for a good example of consolidation and stuff like that. So I want to go over just real quick from an example standpoint, and then also just break down the chart. So just quickly from an example perspective of how you could put it in a textbook. Right here, big volume, big move up, and then the price pulled back. During this price pulled back, check out how low volume got. So that's exactly what you want to see. And then when this big day happened here, you can see volume increased, although not as big as it was over here. Still increased, and then again during consolidation, the volume dropped off, and now with this upwards move yesterday, big volume again. Now today the price was all the way up here, but by the time the close rolled around, the profit taking had knocked it all the way down here, and I think that's probably the reason why I had so many questions on it. So to answer the main question I got, is this chart toast? Well, that kind of depends on what your strategy is. If you're a day trader and you bought up here because you're thinking you could get a quick scalp out of it, then yeah, you should probably be out of it by now. But if you're in this for the overall chart or a longer term swing trade, then the chart's absolutely fine. Now, how can I say that? Well, pretty easily actually. From the charting perspective, as long as the price remains above this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, then everything's going to be kind of good in the hood as far as the bulls are concerned. We also have the price above the 10-day simple moving average, which is this blue line, price still above the 20-day, which is this gray line, and then the 50-day, which is this purple line. So, in a nutshell, the price is above all its key moving averages. So the path of least resistance at this point in time is, definitely up. So I kind of just answered what are the supports. These are all going to be the different levels of support, but like I led off the video saying, ideally we want to see this 200-day simple moving average, hold, which is right now is valued at 0.0012. Now in terms of resistance levels, looks like we have a little minor speed bump here. Yes, the price did break it above this 0.0022 level intraday twice in a row, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close is. So this is still a level of resistance. I'm going to leave that line skinny because, with another nice surge, I don't see this putting up much of a fight. But then the key level of resistance are going to be both up here at the previous highs. The first one after 0.0022 will be 0.0028, and then 0.0032. So with a break above 0.0032, that'll be where it launches back into blue sky breakout territory. But all in all, as long as it goes through another healthy consolidation, which it has done not once but twice before already since kind of coming to life back here, then the chart's going to remain bullish looking and probably continue to pop up on people's radar. So overall, chart's still looking good, and we'll see what tomorrow brings and then next week. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was DUTV. Thanks for listening.